Have you ever wondered how your computer, phone, and smart TV all connect to the internet at the same time? It's a fascinating process that happens seamlessly in the background, allowing us to enjoy our digital lives without a second thought. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes this possible? The answer is a little device called a router. This small but mighty gadget is the backbone of your home network, tirelessly working to keep all your devices connected. It's like the central hub of your home network. Imagine it as the heart of your digital ecosystem, pumping data to every corner of your home. Think of it as a traffic cop, directing data to all the right places. Just like a traffic cop ensures that vehicles move smoothly and efficiently through an intersection, a router ensures that data packets travel to their intended destinations without any hiccups. Routers come in all shapes and sizes, but they all do the same basic job, connecting different devices and networks. Whether it's a sleek, modern design or a more traditional model, each router is equipped with the technology to handle multiple connections simultaneously. They make sure that information like emails, websites, and cat videos get to the right destination. Imagine trying to watch your favorite show or send an important email without a router. It would be nearly impossible. Without a router, your devices would be lost in the vast world of the internet. They wouldn't know where to send or receive data, leading to a frustrating and disconnected experience. It's the unsung hero that keeps us all connected. So next time you stream a movie, browse the web, or video chat with a friend, take a moment to appreciate the humble router. It's working hard behind the scenes to make sure you stay connected to the digital world. Routers connect your devices to each other and to the internet. They are the unsung heroes of our digital lives, working tirelessly in the background to ensure that our devices can communicate seamlessly. Whether you're sending an email, streaming a movie, or playing an online game, your router is the central hub that makes it all possible. They create a local area network, or LAN, within your home. This network is like a private highway system, allowing your devices to send and receive data quickly and efficiently. Without a LAN, each device would have to connect directly to the internet, which would be much slower and less secure. This lets your devices talk to each other, even without an internet connection. For example, you can print a document from your laptop to a wireless printer, or stream music from your phone to a smart speaker, all without needing to go through the internet. This local communication is fast and reliable, making your home network more efficient. Imagine your router as a central meeting point for all your devices. It's like a digital traffic cop directing data to where it needs to go. When you send a file from your computer to your phone, the router ensures that the data takes the quickest and most efficient route. Your computer, phone, and game console can all connect to the router, either with wires or wirelessly. This flexibility means you can set up your devices in the way that works best for you. Whether you prefer the stability of a wired connection or the convenience of wireless, your router has you covered. The router acts as a bridge, allowing them to share information and resources. This means you can access files stored on one device from another, or use a single printer for all your devices. It's like having a personal assistant that helps your devices work together harmoniously. So the next time you're streaming a movie on your tablet, remember that your router is working hard to deliver that content smoothly and without interruption. It's managing the data flow, ensuring that your movie doesn't buffer or lag. While your roommate is browsing the web, your router is handling multiple data streams simultaneously. It's like a multitasking wizard, making sure that everyone in your home can enjoy a seamless online experience. Thank your router for keeping everything running smoothly. It's the backbone of your home network, ensuring that all your devices can connect, communicate, and share resources effortlessly. So give a little nod of appreciation to this essential piece of technology that makes our modern lives possible. Routers use something called a routing table to figure out where to send data. It's like a map that tells the router the best path for information to travel. When your computer sends a request for a website, the router checks its routing table. It finds the IP address of the website's server and sends the request on its way. The routing table is constantly being updated with new information, ensuring that data takes the most efficient route possible. It's like having a GPS for your internet traffic. Just like we use languages to communicate with each other, whether it's English, Spanish, Mandarin, or any other language, computers also need a way to communicate. But instead of using spoken words or written text, they use a special language designed specifically for the digital world. This language is called TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It's the fundamental communication protocol that allows computers to connect and exchange data over the internet. TCP/IP is like a set of rules that computers follow to ensure that data is sent and received accurately. Think of it as a universal translator for the internet, enabling different devices and systems to understand each other. When you send an email, stream a video, or browse a website, TCP/IP is at work behind the scenes. It breaks down the information into smaller, manageable packets, each with its own address, much like how a letter is addressed and sent through the postal service. These packets travel across various networks, hopping from one router to another until they reach their final destination. The process ensures that even if some packets take different routes, they all arrive and are reassembled in the correct order. Routers play a crucial role in this process. They act like traffic directors, reading the addresses on data packets and determining the best path for them to take to reach their destination efficiently. Without routers, the internet as we know it wouldn't function. They ensure that data flows smoothly, avoiding congestion and rerouting packets as needed to prevent delays. Imagine a busy city with countless roads and intersections. Routers are like the traffic lights and signs that guide vehicles to their destinations, ensuring that everything moves in an orderly fashion. They read the addresses on data packets, forward them to the correct destination, and make sure that all the pieces of information arrive intact and in the right order. It's like a postal service for the internet. Just as postal workers sort and deliver mail to the correct addresses, routers and TCP/IP work together to deliver data to the right place, ensuring that our digital communication is seamless and reliable. Section 5. Private IP addresses, your home network. Every device on your home network needs a unique address called an IP address. Routers assign private IP addresses to each device connected to them. Think of a private IP address like your home address. It's only used within your home network and is not visible to the outside world. This helps to keep your devices secure. Your router keeps track of all the private IP addresses on your network, ensuring that data is delivered to the right device. It's like a roll call for your connected devices. Section 6. NATing. Sharing the internet. You might be wondering how all your devices can share a single internet connection. The answer is Network Address Translation, or NATT. NAT allows your router to use a single public IP address to represent all the devices on your network. It's like having a single phone number for your entire family. When data comes back from the internet, NAT knows which device it belongs to and forwards it accordingly. It's like a master translator for your network. Section 7. Returning data, completing the circle. Once your router sends out a request for information, it needs to make sure that the response gets back to the right device. It does this by keeping track of which device sent out each request. When a response comes back from the internet, the router checks its records and forwards the data to the correct device based on its private IP address. It's like a game of catch between your device and the router, ensuring that no data gets lost along the way. Section 8. Router security, protecting your network. Routers play a vital role in keeping your network safe from intruders. They act as a firewall, blocking unauthorized access to your devices and data. Most routers come with built-in security features like firewalls and password protection. It's important to keep your router's firmware up to date to ensure that you have the latest security patches. Think of your router as a security guard for your network, protecting your devices from harm. Section 9. Routers, the unsung heroes of the internet. Routers are essential devices that make the internet work. They connect our devices, direct data traffic, and keep our networks secure. Without routers, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. They are the unsung heroes that allow us to connect, communicate, and explore the digital world. So, the next time you're enjoying the wonders of the internet, take a moment to appreciate the humble router that makes it all possible.